For our 22nd video is how to add forms and surveys to your funnels and website in Zappify.io. So go to sites, forms, and then surveys. To create, we need to click the surveys to create a new one. Add form. So drag in field like names, email, phone, and custom question. Once saved, embed it into any funnel or website page using the form elements in the builder. And all submission will automatically create or update a contact in your CRM.